How do you find the App Store on the iPad? Let me guide you through it and show you how it works. If it's your first time in here, most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and similar videos like this one. So in my case, whenever I go to the App Store, I just swipe down in the middle of the screen and perform the quick search. I like to go to my apps like this all the time because it allows me to be very quick. But if you just go in here and look up App Store and do not see it, then we need to look for it further. The next step would be to swipe all the way to the right until you access the app library. This is a place where every single app on your iPad is, all of them, even built-in ones, third-party apps, everything is going to be part of this grid and list, right? So you can search for it, or you can look up this like alphabetical order and find the App Store right there. However, if you still do not see it, it is possible that it has simply been disabled or restricted. When you go to the settings app of the iPad and find the screen time section, we have a thing which is called content and privacy restrictions. You can get inside, and if it's turned on, there are plenty of interesting things going on. For example, you can literally disable installing apps, and when you click on a don't allow installing apps, the App Store is basically going to disappear from the iPad. And you might try to find it in the app library or in other places, but if it's restricted like that, you will not have the option to. And yeah, even more things can be restricted, so you can literally just go through it as such. But if you want to be sure, you can just turn off the restrictions with one toggle at the top. Perhaps give it a minute and the App Store should reappear on your iPad. So I would really love to hear below in the comments if it actually worked out well for you. Hit the thumbs up for more tutorials and stay tuned so you don't miss them, and I'll see you later.